Alright, we have the next spins. Good luck. Crazy time got 2x multiplied. Good luck. Let's have that crazy time. Come on, bring the crazy time, please. Yay! Perfect. We get that crazy time. Woohoo! So, ladies and gentlemen, hold attention to the wheel because we now 2 times multiplying all the main multipliers on the wheel because of the stop slot. And seems like the majority players go for the blue. 200 multipliers, the max multiplier, but on the wheel we have the doubles as well. Who can, well, double up those main multipliers again. Good luck for the spin. Hello, blue flipper. You got double. Nice, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yay. And now the 400 gonna be the max win what you can win. Or as well, can be more doubles. Good luck. Well. The blue is in the fire here. Another double. All right. 800 is that max win right now. The highest possible win. Crazy. Bro, no way. All right. Take it. Enjoy. 20x multiplied for the yellow, 30x multiplied for the green, but 800 for the blue.
First, ooh, no way, 500x? Yes way. Which of course, with a 4x, is gonna become... Well, do the thing here. Oh man. Can you find it there? The 2K awaits some lucky few of you guys. Hopefully as many of you guys as possible. Of course, the first things first, gotta scramble it all up. And there we have it, folks. Well, here we go, folks. Where is it? I'll save this apple. I mean, that's 100x in there. There's our 2K shining brightly. Congratulations to anyone who found it.
Let's go. Welcome to Crazy Time. All right, you see 3 flappers? Before choosing them, let's times 25 everything. Best of luck. That's a double for the blue flapper. Let's double everything up. All right, best of luck. And another double for the blue flapper. Oh my goodness. And let's go. Best of luck. And that is 1500x for the blue team, 375 for the green, and 500 for the yellow.
Good luck. Okay, 3, 5, 2, 50x on the... Speechless. 50 on 17, man! What? My heart is beating so fast. Guys. 5,000? Oh my! Oh. Okay. Come on. From 150 up to 5,000. This is officially the highest of today. Oh, the corners. The bottom left, 5,000. Oh, I'm gonna cry. 2x, go down. Okay, it goes to the top right up to 2,000. There extra 1,500. Man! 1,687 leg play, 2,000 for you.